Every person watching this video right now has knowledge that other people will pay to access. Not famous knowledge. Not rare genius level expertise. Practical everyday knowledge built from years of working in a profession, navigating a challenge, mastering a skill, or figuring out something that other people are still struggling with. The person who spent 10 years in human resources knows things about hiring, workplace dynamics, and career progression that someone just starting out would pay for. The parent who figured out how to help their child with anxiety knows things that other struggling parents desperately want. The freelancer who learned how to find clients consistently knows things that new freelancers are searching for every single day. That knowledge, your knowledge, is the asset. AI is the tool that helps you package it, present it, and sell it to the people who need it most. Today I am showing you exactly how to do that. Welcome to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day with fresh AI strategies. Subscribe now and hit the bell so you never miss tomorrow's video. Step 1. Identify your sellable knowledge. Most people underestimate the value of what they know because they have known it for so long it feels obvious. This is called the curse of knowledge. The more expert you become at something, the harder it is to remember what it felt like not to know it. Open Claude and describe your professional background, your main skills, your hobbies, and any challenges you have personally overcome. Then ask Claude to identify the 5 areas where your knowledge and experience would be most valuable to someone who is 1 to 3 years behind where you are now. Pay close attention to Claude's response. The areas it identifies are the ones where your knowledge gap, the distance between what you know and what your potential buyer knows, is large enough to justify paying for your expertise. Ask Claude to then describe the specific type of person who would most benefit from your knowledge in each area. Their situation, their struggles, their goals, the specific questions they are asking right now that your knowledge could answer. This exercise takes 1 hour and produces more clarity about your monetizable expertise than most people get from months of self-reflection. Step 2. Choose your monetization format. Knowledge can be monetized in multiple formats. Each requires different time investment and produces different income characteristics. Ask Claude to help you evaluate 4 formats for your knowledge area. A digital guide or ebook, written once, sold repeatedly. Most passive income potential. Best for knowledge that transfers well in written format without requiring interaction. An online course or video series, higher price point. Requires recording. Best for skills that are better demonstrated than explained. A consulting or coaching offer, highest price per hour. Requires active delivery. Best for knowledge where value comes from applying your expertise to someone's specific situation. A newsletter or community, lowest individual price but most recurring. Best for knowledge that evolves and where ongoing perspective has value beyond a one-time purchase. Ask Claude to recommend the best starting format based on your knowledge, your available time, and how quickly you want first income. Most people benefit from starting with a digital guide. It tests whether the market will pay for your knowledge before investing in higher production formats. Step 3. Package your knowledge with Claude. Once you have chosen your format, Claude does the heavy lifting of turning your knowledge into a structured, polished product. For a digital guide, describe everything you know about your topic in a long, unstructured brain dump to Claude. Do not worry about organization. Just get everything out. Then ask Claude to organize it into a clear, logical structure that takes the reader from where they are now to where they want to be. Claude writes the complete first draft. You review it, add personal examples, and refine anything that does not sound like you. Brain dump to polished draft in 1 focused day. For a consulting offer, ask Claude to design your service. What you offer. Who it is for. What result the client gets. Claude writes your service description, intake questionnaire, and proposal template. For a newsletter, Ask Claude to write your first 4 issues using your knowledge as the content source. These become your proof of concept before subscribers commit. Step 4. Price and sell. Most first-time knowledge sellers underprice dramatically. They charge what they would pay rather than what the outcome is worth to the buyer. Ask Claude to help you think through your pricing. Give it the specific outcome your knowledge product delivers and the type of person buying it. Ask it to evaluate what that outcome is typically worth to your buyer in terms of time saved, money earned, or problem solved. Then price your product at a fraction of that value. If your knowledge helps someone get a job that pays significantly more than the current role, the outcome is worth thousands. A guide priced at $27 to $47 is a fraction of that value and an easy purchasing decision. For your sales page, ask Claude to write every word. The headline, the problem statement, the solution, the benefits, the about section, the call to action. Sales page copy is one of Claude's strongest capabilities. A well-written sales page converts browsers into buyers without any additional selling. Your action plan starting today. Open Claude today and run the knowledge identification exercise. Spend 1 hour discovering what you know that others will pay for. Choose your format. Brain dump your knowledge. Let Claude build the product. Price it at a fraction of the outcome it delivers. Your knowledge already exists. AI just helps you get it out of your head and into the hands of people who need it. What knowledge do you have that you think others would pay for? Drop it in the comments. I personally reply to every comment. If this gave you a clear path to monetizing what you already know, please give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to Tech Talk Tech. We upload every single day. See you tomorrow.